What is going on, everyone? My name is Jason Lataillade, and I'm a video editor and motion graphic artist. I work both full-time and I freelance, working on projects that range from music videos to corporate video animation, promos, intro text animations, shorts, and so forth. I initially got into video editing in college. I was drawn into the post-production side of video and just immediately gravitated towards it. And I think that's because for me, it perfectly complements the technical and creative aspects of my mind and how I approach things. I've been asked many questions about the process of video editing and motion design, so I figured this would be helpful to put out content that helps shed some light on aspects of post-production from my perspective. I also want to document my journey because I'm still learning as well, and as tech continues to evolve, I'll always have something new to learn and experiences to share with all of you. So, the kinds of content you will see from me are video editing and motion graphic workflows, primarily using Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. I'll be doing tutorials, recreation videos behind the scenes. I'll incorporate gaming design into the mix as well, because some of you know I love to game. So if you are someone wanting to learn how to edit videos efficiently, as well as incorporate motion design into your arsenal, this will be the kind of channel I wish I found when I started. So I'm excited to share my content with all of you, and until then, I'll see you all in the next video.